Hello, my name is Bayingana. Now I'm going back to show how we can use Mentimeter in teaching and learning process. Now, if you need to use Mentimeter, you have to open your browser as an Opera Mini or Google Chrome, and also you write in search engine for any browser like mentimeter.com. You see here mentimeter.com, and then you click on enter. And also, if after the click the enter, we have to log in if you are already use this Mentimeter, and also you can sign up for the first one. Let's click for the first one for sign up, and we have to choose here. Let's use by this name, my email and password. Also I can continue with a Google, sign up with a Google. After click on sign up with a Google, I have to choose an account. If there is no any account there, I can put my email and password there, and after click for my email, means that the Mentimeter will open it. Welcome Bayingana. And now sorry, if I need or if I want to present anything, I can click for the quiz, and I can click for survey. Let's click for new presentation. Okay, new presentation. Okay, by internet process slowly. Then I have to write the name of my presentation. Let's click on plus for blank. Okay, I click on plus view result. Okay. After is about my laptop doing slowly. It's back there. I click for here. I'm waiting for my computer working badly. Okay, new presentation. Then I can write the name here. Mentimeter Mentimeter quizzes, for example, quizzes. Sorry. Then after that one, I can use this import or create new slide. I can put plus for anyone who can join my Mentimeter. Let's use this one. After clicking new slide, I have to choose my question if it is multiple choice, word cloud, open-end questions, question and answers, ranking, and scales. Those types of question we have seen for Google Form. Sorry. Let's choose multiple choice. Then I have different question. Let's use a multiple choice. Okay, this is a question number 1. For example, let's use a general equation like for example, have you used Mentimeter before? For example, have you used Mentimeter before? For example, I can choose an image. For example, I can choose someone, then I can use this. For example, let's choose one. For example, let's choose this an image for each question. For example, okay, then I can save it. Then also I can add another question. This is the image uploaded. Also, let's choose another question. Another question is about this is the title of my question. Let's put a question mark. For example, question mark. Then to choose, let's use yes. Let's use another choose an image to put there. Still choose any image. Okay, let's use this one as an image to choose. Okay, to put there. For a moment, the image is uploaded there. Then I can save. I can add another option is about no. Then also I can put an image. If you have any image from your PC, you can use it. Okay. Let's see. I'm still searching an image to use. here. For example, let's use this image if there are so many that are different to my question. Then I can upload it. Also can use a different question. Also I can use the to prepare an assignment for using different I can use by import to put from my PC or any other. And also let's click on presentation. This is how you can create your presentation by using any kind of question. Okay, I click on presentation. Then have you used Mentimeter before? Yes or no? This is how your question will be published to your learner or student. Also, you can click here for getting different settings of my my Mentimeter. This is where the answer the student they can find them. If someone can answer your question, it can be there. And also you can use this one, show response, turn off responding. You can give an order to start to answer your question. Show response as a percentage, and you can open the percentage about your response is. And also you can use a bar to show your statistic. You can use a p chart, dots, donut, and so on. And also you can use this is not needed. Joining instruction and so on. Means that this is how you can share your quiz or assignment or any other prepared assignment or activity. And also you can use this link if you need to share to your people or to your student.